Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture Inferencing with our trained model. So the model that we have trained for 10,000 steps, our mask model, will be using that to the to do the prediction on top of some test images. Okay, so we'll be using the object detection tutorial notebook. Then we will provide some paths in there, and finally we'll be using some test images. So let's jump into our Google Drive. So this is my research folder. Inside research, I need to go inside object detection. So here is my object detection. So inside object detection, there will be a single notebook. This one, object detection tutorial. You just try to open it in Google Colab. Open with Google Colab. Okay, so I need to connect to a runtime. Okay, change runtime. I want a standard one. It's saved. And let me just connect it. Because the other things we don't need. So let me just close these things. Okay, now let me just connect to the Google Drive. Okay, I have to execute this piece of cell. Okay, enter the authorization code. Okay, let me just open it in new tab. Collab 0, allow access, and then I will get my token. We'll just copy this one and then I will paste it here. Now my drive will be mounted. Okay, mounted at drive. Okay, so it came. Now I have to do the installation of the basics ones, because whenever I do open a Collab notebook, by default you will get TensorFlow 2.4.1. We have to change it. So let me just execute this particular cell, which will do the installation of version 1.14. Okay, so some mistake is there. I have added a dot. Let me just do a reload just to check. Okay, my drive is mounted. Once the installation is done, so then we'll be installing the object detection library, and then we will proceed for our inference. So it will take some time. Let's wait. And now we can say it's true 1.14, so everything is fine. In the next step, I just go inside the research folder. I will be installing the setup.py, which is the object detection library. So this installation will take some time. Okay, and finally we can see the installation is done. It's telling finish processing dependencies for object detection. So this got installed. So right now everything is fine. Okay, so I'm in the research directory, so I will just do a cd object detection. Okay, I came inside the object detection folder. Now I'll just try to import. Okay, so everything is fine. It's running successfully in environment setup. Okay, so utils also got imported. So right here I will be doing some changes. Okay, so let me just remove the old things. Okay, so here actually you have to pass the path of the model folder. So for us it is mask underscore model. I will just try to give the path my drive id at tfod 1.x, inside that models, inside that research, inside research there will be mask. Okay, so this is the one. I will just copy this path and paste it here. Okay, then there is no tar file, so I will just comment this one. No downloading from the internet, so no download base. And here it's written, see, frozen inference graph.pb. So inside this folder there is the file, so it's fine. Then again I have to pass the path of the training folder. Where is my training folder? So here is my training folder, which consists of the level map.file. So here I have to pass that. For that actually I will pass this one, training, and then inside that my level map.pbtxt file. And now I will just try to execute this one. Okay, this piece of code I don't need, so I will just comment it. Then I will load the model into memory. Okay, no error, so everything is fine. The path of the model here, the path of the level map, you can see actually. Okay, so there is a warning, no issues. Then the helper code. Okay, so right now we have to do some changes here. Now inside the test images folder, so if we do check our test images folder, so there has to be a folder called as test underscore images. Right now these are the files, and these are the old files, actually the dog and the beach one. Okay, or maybe our last testing, those files are available. So I will just delete them for now. Okay, and let me just get our testing file. So inside sample data, inside test. Okay, so one, maybe I will be just picking them up. Before picking them, I will just do a rename here only. Okay, so image one, this one maybe rename image 2, just two files selected, and I moved them here. Two file got uploaded. Now I will just try to run this one. Okay, so detection. Now this is the particular piece of code which is responsible to do the inference on a single image. And here I will just try to execute, and we'll be getting some results based on the training that we have done. So the image size is little bit huge that is coming. Okay, so this 50 cross 50 I will change it to like 20 cross 20. Okay, now you can see actually. Okay, so mask. Okay, so mask, all this being are detected in the next image. Okay, so if there is no mask, okay, no mask, no mask, so we can say that our model is working fine. Okay, so for two images, test images that I have given, it's working pretty fine. So in the next section, we will be building an end-to-end project for this TFOD1.x, a complete application where somebody can upload a picture and they can get the results. So guys, See you in the next section.